We are just checking the tube mill line, which was installed about 2 years ago. And today we got the chance to visit our domestic customer. So right now, let's show you what we have. In front of us, that is one kind of the tube mill, and the machine capacity can be up to 2 inches. Right now, the machine is producing some customized pipe. So in the first stage, we can check how the line works. This is the cutting saw. We call it like PLC control cutting saw. And just follow my camera and you will see how it works. Here is for cooling. Here is good for cooling. And this is kind of like Turkish, or we call it like straightening. And this part is, we call it like sizing. Sizing machine. This part is also cooling pool, cooling tank. This place is good for forming. And since this is gamma-lined pipe, we have this kind of the material comes out. It's good for this coating. And this part of the wire is coming out from while we do the welding. Going to the other part. So this is the unit, and we can see a lot of rollers as spare parts while we want to do different diameter of the pipes, and also for the square tubes. Okay, here is the accumulator. You can see how it works. It can load the coils and the storage. Now we are just loading one more coil. And here's manual expansion.